Hey, this is Clear.us headlight restoration. It's real simple to do. You just tape it, you sandpaper it, and you spray it.
Sale un poquito así, pero casi todo el tiempo sale pegadito, bro. There's hardly moisture in the inside.
You wand it with a black light. It has a UV protectant on it. It hardens, and you won't have to do this process again. This is not a cleaning or a buffing. This is a restoration process. It only takes about 45 minutes to prepare it. After you spray it, you wand it, take the tape off. You can deliver it. You can also use the sunlight. There's a hardening agent inside this product that works off of the UV light, and that's what makes it last. Most products only last 6 months to a year. This is a permanent fix.